So I'd like to share my review and assembly of this 6-tier plant stand with lights. Pretty simple to put together. Took me maybe 30 minutes total. And you can see they're at all different angles. So here's it just kind of set up with a few of my plants and solar lights. The top one definitely can bear the most weight, being that it's, got the legs supporting all four corners. But otherwise, the rest of it looks really, really good. Then as far as the lights, you can see that that would definitely help with growing. So here's a really fast assembly where you're screwing in all of the legs. There are some little felt pads for under the feet. Then you use these double-sided screws to attach all of the shelves. And everything is well marked with ABC and what screws go where. So that part was really easy. However, there were no instructions for the lights, so I basically just took their sticky strips, peeled off the one side, stuck it to the light, peeled off the other side, and then attached it on the inside of the bottoms of the shelves. It also comes with zip ties and little screws. The screws would be totally up to you if you actually want to try to screw into these, but I just used the adhesive and then I zip tied the light to the corner that it was closest to, just in case the adhesive let go. That way the light wouldn't fall. So, but otherwise really easy.